Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. In this video, I want to break everything down to you on how I buy and ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and an app called Skycargo Nigeria Limited to ship direct from China without any stress, using their consolidated package without any stress. Let me show you how. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So having opened up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, it's going to load up right here. Okay. Like I said, it has to do with bought and consolidate ship from China to Nigeria with Skycargo and Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or any Chinese e-commerce or website, or Alibaba or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's continue. So next thing I'm going to do right here to show you everything I bought, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to go to my profile. Then from my profile right here, I need to go ahead and click on here to see all the goods on transit. So right here, I bought this from one store, this from another store, and this from another store, which means about 3 different tracking numbers sent to the Skycargo Logistics Company. So how can we consolidate this parcel into one and send direct from China to Nigeria using Skycargo shopping, using Skycargo Logistics? For that, I'm going to access from my Pinduoduo right here, and I will go ahead and walk you through step by step on how you can use Skycargo app for consolidated package and ship from China direct to Nigeria. For that, go ahead and open up your Skycargo Logistic app. So Skycargo is a free app that you can easily download from Play Store or App Store, then register with your detail. And then once you register with your detail, you can get your address to purchase from any Chinese e-commerce app or website. Like for me, I have already purchased everything and the product has been received by Skycargo Logistics right here. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on console right here. So having clicked on console, it's going to load up right here. You'll find out that there is nothing right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on package list right here in Skycargo. So when you open up package list, it's going to take you right here. Now remember, I told you it's about 3 packages from Pinduoduo, and then this is also the 3 packing right here. So this is the first tracking number, the second tracking number, and the third tracking number, which simply means that all the products has been successfully delivered to the warehouse in China, and Skycargo has confirmed that they receive everything right here. Next thing I need to do right here is to consolidate and give Skycargo an order and give Skycargo matching order to ship the product from China to Nigeria without any stress. So for that, what I'm going to do here now is to go ahead and click on to delivery. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on next. Then here we go. We need to make sure we choose shipping method right here. So under the shipping method here, you can decide which best suits for your timeline. So as for me, I'm going to ship within 10 to 14 days. That's about 2 weeks, because this product here involves sensitive item, and the sensitive items is going through Hong Kong here, which means that it's going to take about 2 days. It's going to take about 2 weeks. But if it is something that has those sensitive goods, I will just come down below right here and ship through Guangzhou, and Guangzhou is just 7 days right here. But because I have a sensitive item from the 3 package, you can see the indication right here. That is why I'm going to use this particular options here, which is 10 to 14 days. So I'm going to select these options right now. Next thing I'm going to do here is to choose pick up warehouse address. So they have Lagos Airport warehouse, Lagos Airline warehouse, Trade Fair warehouse, and Kano warehouse. Everything depends on your location, and everything also depends on your state. So in my own case, I'm going to choose Lagos Warehouse Airport. I'm going to select on that. Then having select on that, you can see everything is ready right here, and I will be given estimated kg, which is just 1.1 kg of all the three tracking number right here. So if you make up your mind, there is no need of you change. But if you made a mistake, simply click on change or click on pick up warehouse to change right here. But as for me, I'm good to go. Lastly, I'll go ahead and click on delivery right here. And the total carton is 3. As you can see, is 3 right here. So I'll go ahead and click on delivery. Just like so. There are currently sensitive goods. Please confirm if you want to ship them together. Please confirm your shipping method by here or see. Once confirmed, it cannot be changed. You can see I have already confirmed I'm shipping by here through Hong Kong, which is 2 weeks maximum. So I'm going to go and I'm shipping by here, just like you see the here indication right here. Then go ahead and hit on confirm right here. So once I hit on confirm, then you can see success. So there is possibility that Skycargo send a message that they receive my order for delivery. Then simply click on return right here. When you click on return, you can see everything has been disappeared right here. You can keep on checking your messages notification right here to be keep on tracking of your package from China to Nigeria using Skycargo Logistics Company. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about China importation business, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.